Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Bitcoin. Your daily update, of course. We'll do a full update today. We actually have some news to talk about, which is coming out later today. And I actually see right now that my webcam is a little bit weird. But that's all right. We'll have to do with it. I had some trouble setting it up earlier, but all right, doesn't matter. But all right, we have some news to talk about. Apart from that, dollar strength index is still bullish. Also got a bullish breakout, which is bearish for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has been able to hold its support levels around 25,600 yesterday. At this point of time, I mean, it's definitely not looking bullish, but it's also, I mean, it's some sort of a bullish confirmation that it's holding support. All right, so I think it can go both ways still. We'll talk about that in this video. I'll tell you everything you need to know, at least as far as I think, but that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group as well, which you can, for example, find if you go to cilinixfxcapital.com, and there, if you join that, you actually gain access to all of my trades, like Perpetual Protocol and Flamingo, which were both shared within either the Signal group or the chat room. So if you're interested in that, and if you actually want to become a better and profitable trader, then consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But all right, so Bitcoin right now, the situation is still the same. I mean, it's fairly weak, but I would say technically it is still in this range. So between 26,400 and 25,600. So with that, I would assume that it can actually get up to these levels right here around 26,000 and 26,200. I don't think we can break above that, but getting there technically is possible, and it's even something I do expect. But today, I would say, I mean, overall, like it's hard to say, all right, because something like this is almost nothing. It's a very small bearish move or small bullish move. And overall, I do think that the most likely scenario is a drop down to those 25,000 areas. All right, so that's 24,600, 25,200. That entire area, I do expect a drop down to that level. I mean, what we're seeing right now with Bitcoin, historically September to start off with is a very bearish month, and right now, like it's respecting the resistance that much. There seems to be almost no bullish momentum. The problem with that is that we have seen that more often, all right? We have seen more often that Bitcoin was very, very weak, like for example right here, and then it dropped and it actually got a rally, or right here it looked very, very weak and it actually went up. So I'm a bit traumatized by that to maybe. So purely technically, purely fundamentally, I would say that drop is coming. I think today, there, like I said, there is a chance to get up to those higher areas in the range, but only if the news is good. All right. So the news we have is the ISM Services PMI, where if that's higher than expected, then that's good for the dollar strength index. So that's bad for crypto and also for other reasons, but those don't matter that much. And vice versa. All right. So if we actually want to see a bullish Bitcoin, we would need to see that being lower than expected. You can also just watch the dollar strength index, but if you want to follow the news live, go to myfxbook.com, and there you actually go to economic calendar, and there you can see it. But that's what we're waiting for. I mean, if this is actually higher than expected, the PMI, then the dollar strength index will rally above 105, and Bitcoin will start to drop. Bitcoin will probably have that bearish breakout below 25,600, and I'm pretty sure that if Bitcoin breaks down below 25,600 now, it will also continue dropping down towards that 25,000 and 24,700 area. So that's my full analysis. Those are all of my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.